Phlizon CREE plant LED grow light. CREE is known for its high power and stability. The real power for Phlizon CREE 2000 watt is 450 watts, and the ppfd value is 2160 UMO per square meter. The Phlizon plant LED grow lights have extra heat sinks and high-quality cooling fans, which greatly extend the life of the light. The decibels of the two fans rotating is 75 dB. No noise pollution. VEG and bloom button is fit for all stages of plant growing. The stronger button can increase the light in the later stage of planting because plants need more light in the flowering and fruit later stage. Traditional image lamps RA is too low, and the lack of red light is not conducive to plant growth. HPS lamps have high temperatures and high cost for electricity. Plant LED grow lights don't have such a problem. For the convenience of the user, each Phlizon package contains an adjustable roll, hanger kit, thermometer.
Bob, and today we're going to go over this LED grow light, which is portable. It can clamp right to a desk. It's great for a personal plant or maybe even a couple of plants, either at work, at your desk, and it'll keep them growing. Now, these have bendable lights, so I can bend them in any direction. This is the clamp for the desk or tabletop. It's got a nice wide opening. And then the lights themselves you can place and you can bend them to whatever area that you want to. And see, here's the LEDs in here. And there's IR ones or infrared ones, as well as ultraviolet ones, and it helps grow whatever plants you're wanting to grow. Now, on the attached to the clamp here are the wires themselves, which are connected to the switch device, and the switch device here will allow me to go, I can do a left, right light, both lights. I've got a timer. I also have a dimmer. It has like a couple of different settings on here for light intensity on this. So let's see, what else? Here we go. It plugs into, it's got a pretty long cord, but it's basically it's a USB connection, and it plugs in right into this little AC adapter, and all you have to do is plug this AC adapter into your AC. So without further ado, let's go out and give it a whirl and show you exactly how it works. Okay, first we need to clamp this to the table. So I'm going to go ahead and depress the clamp. And it's a little bit hard to do. Then place that on the table. And now we're going to adjust the lights themselves. Let me pull this plant up a little bit closer. And we'll just adjust this out pretty much how we want to do it. Now we're going to take the AC adapter and we're going to plug it into the cord and then plug that into an outlet. Now next up we have the switch. Now the switch will turn the right side on, or the A light on, then the B light, and then press it again and you get both lights. Now next up we have the dimmer switch. There's 4 levels of brightness: 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. So you can pretty much put it as bright or as dim as you want. Then we also have a timer on this switch. It's at the very bottom. You press it once, that's for 3 hours. Press it again if you want 6 hours. And once again if you want 12 hours. So this automatically will shut off after 12 hours. Or automatically shut off after 3 hours or 6 hours, or you can leave it on all the time. Once again, this is the LED grow light, and you can use it to grow any plant that you... Bye.